You're like, yeah, why not?
But I guess it's only for 5 months. And that's when they're on a new lease, or they're gonna find a new place, or he's gonna find a new place, or...
Dude, nice. Nice.
Dude, there's so much. I didn't realize all that was there. Dude, this is freezing cold.
Is it? Oh.
What the heck?
Why is it so cold?
It's all insulated under that beanie.
Oh, dude, product placement. Remember that video? Product placement, dude. This isn't it though. Damn, look at that GTR. Damn. Holy shit. That thing is sick.
Oh my god.
Has different wheels on both sides.
Oh. There's RPF 1s.
On the PT Cruiser. RPF 1s. Not gonna look. Is my car outside?
No.
Okay. Oh, it's in that door. I'm not looking. Just go straight and pass by. I haven't seen the car yet. I haven't seen it. I'm looking away.
I didn't see it either.
Okay.
Should I park right here?
Yeah, just park however. Dude, I'm so nervous. This is the big moment, man. I'm ready. So I'm at House of Wraps right now. I just got dropped off in San Diego. I'm with Gibbs right now. I haven't seen the car yet. The last 2 days, they wouldn't show me any teaser pictures, but I'm really nervous. I'm excited to see my car, so let's go check out my new wrap.
Here we go. About to turn the corner. What are we gonna see?
Oh, yo. Color.
Full carbon.
That'd be sick on your car. Dude, leopard print. That's for Chantel.
Ooh, Chantel.
This was the original color I wanted to do, like the baby blue. I wanted blue Cepheus, but they were like, you know, you should do something unique and different. So I said, why not try? The official color of my car is matte cranberry. I think Gibbs should wrap his car. I think the best color for this would be Battleship Gray, or like the Nardo Gray.
Yes. Fucking loud. There's no muffler. I see cats though. I don't see a muffler.
So this is my first time seeing the car in the sunlight. You guys are witnessing this with me. My first time seeing the car in person. Holy crap. Dang. That is nuts. Damn, it shifts so much. Saw, dude. All right, let's cruise. Yeah. Damn, that GTR is nuts. So I have to say, I'm back in my car, and I'm so happy to be back in my M3. Dang, the reflection is nuts. Now the thing is, with this color, it's very different. It'll take me some time to get used to it. It's not like crazy in love for me. It's just something different, and that's what I like about it. It just has different character to it. It's something unique. You see a lot of bright colors. This is just like, it's matte cranberry. You just don't see that color. I'm just happy to be driving my car again. Oh, it feels good to drive this thing. Dude, it's sick with this Devoted logo right here on my car.
You like it?
It looks pretty dope. That thing's sick. Jason. Is that Jason from Target Trophy? That was him, wasn't it?
I don't think so. It looked like it.
So we're in PB right now. This is Pacific Beach. This is where Gibbs and I grew up at. Give me a favor, come a little closer. Yeah, you got, yeah, that's perfect.
I'm zoomed in too. You're really dark.
Is that better? Oh, look at the polarizer.
Oh shit!
See what I'm saying, dude? Yeah, no, that's zooming.
I know.
So I just wanted to make a quick part of the video saying that, you know, I do want to apologize to the people who watch my videos every single day, that I appreciate you watching my content, but, you know, I found a lot to life of what's most important to me, and that's spending time with my family and friends. And that's what I had to do the past few days, is just take a break, you know. I scheduled to do 365 videos in a row, which obviously is a lot of videos. And it just didn't feel like, I felt like I was almost forcing myself to do it, and I didn't like it anymore. So I just decided to take a quick break for a few days and just reprioritize what I want to do and make sure that I spend more time with my mom and more time with my best friend Andy. And that's why today I didn't film a lot. I just kind of filmed the wrap being unwrapped or the wrap being unveiled, and then going to see my best friend, which was amazing. I had a great time with him, and we always have so much fun. So I was just driving to La Jolla to go drive around and look at O'Gara Coach, where I used to work, and just try to go drive around La Jolla by myself, but it's too much traffic, so I'm heading back to Orange County right now. If you don't remember, go back to like a bunch of my previous vlogs and the truck is here, but this is my old work at O'Gara Coach Service Center, which was Symbolic Motors, and I came back here just to bring my car here because it's an open area. It's a place where I've had a lot of times here where I've shot a ton of cars, and it's been very just like relaxing to be here. I've had headphones in, I shoot cars, I shot I don't even know how many. Jordan, if you watch my videos, I'm using your truck again to hold up my camera, just like good old times. Well, yeah, I'm hoping it's not too windy out, but this is where, you know, you guys look back at my vlogs, this is where I had hundreds of people here, and I've had plenty of car shows, and I come here often. I mean, I don't film a lot here, but I come here often just to chill, and this is where everything kind of started for me when I had the biggest events of my life. Alejandro, thank you, man.
Absolutely.
I appreciate you coming, man.
It's my 19.
This holds a special place in my heart, so this is where I kind of go. I gravitate here for some reason, but yeah, there's my M3 in the new color matte cranberry. It'll take me some time to get used to it, but I'm definitely a fan of like this color right here. Has a lot of magenta in it, which I'm not a big fan, but hey, you know what? This is so different. This is something special. You don't see this every day. That's why I like it. You can see now that it's in the shade. There's so much like magenta, copper, orange, maroon. It just changes so much. I shot a few Bugattis here. This is why I like to come to this spot, because it has good white contrast. But man, I'm just like, it has a gloss black roof. We did the spoiler in black, the M3 logo in black with the purple right here. The logos are also in that dark cranberry color. IPE exhaust goes on Tuesday. Already had all black here and tinted out. Color matched mirrors. You can really see the color shift right there. See that orange, purple. They had blacked out this part right here. We did Devoted Society on the windshield. We did a limo tint visor, which is awesome for driving in the sun. Had my yellow headlights. They re-wrapped the front lip so there's no cracking on it. That's their logo, House of Wraps. Also up here too, logo in maroon. Did the washers in black. Hood vents in black as well, which looks really good. And that's a tour of my E90 M3 with a matte cranberry wrap. What do you guys think? Comment below. Give it a thumbs up if you think you like it or something different. And check out House of Wraps in the description box, of course. Okay, I need gas now after revving like crazy. Don't scrape here. guy's a vlogger. Yo! He said he saw my car and he's like, I know that guy. So I took off my polarizer because it's about 5:48 at night and I couldn't see anything. So I wanted to get out and show you guys the color of the car. I'm over in Corona del Mar to live over here. I know this spot really well. I've filmed here multiple times, but I want to get out and show you the color of the car at almost nighttime because it's like the crazy maroon. And man, this looks so much better without the polarizer. So you can really get an idea. Look how maroon, pink, purple that is. Except the polarizer is not working too well because I don't have it on. But man, look at that color. Another really nice night. I mean, it's kind of chilly, but this is Corona del Mar. Look at that color. It's like my dream house. That guy was another Instagram follower and subscriber. Thanks for the comment on the car, dude. I appreciate that.